The VIZIO 24-inch V packs 720p HD resolution into a compact 24-inch display, perfect for small spaces. That means you'll enjoy crystal-clear pictures without sacrificing room for anything else. It's like having your own personal movie theater in the comfort of your own home. But what really gets me excited about this TV is its ability to seamlessly stream, control, and share content from your devices directly to your screen with AirPlay 2 and Google Cast. No more fiddling with remotes or digging through menus. Just pick up your phone or tablet, select the VIZIO 24-inch V, and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies in stunning high definition. The immersive sound on this TV is another game changer. With DTS Virtual X, you'll feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. Every punch, every explosion, every dramatic twist will be amplified to thrilling effect. It's like having a private cinema in your living room, and that's exactly what it feels like. But what really sets this TV apart is its advanced connectivity with Wi-Fi 5. That means faster and more reliable streaming, so you can watch your favorite shows without interruptions or lag. It's perfect for binge-watching marathons or hosting impromptu movie nights with friends. And let's not forget about the Bluetooth compatibility. Paired with wireless headphones or speakers, you'll get to enjoy high-quality sound that's completely untethered. No more cords getting in the way or distracting from your viewing experience. Just pure, unadulterated audio bliss. One of the standout features of this TV is its wide color gamut, which means it can display a broader range of colors than traditional TVs. This results in more vivid and lifelike images that will draw you into the action on screen. And with VIZIO's SmartCast OS, you'll have access to a wealth of streaming services, including Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. Another exciting feature is the TV's built-in USB ports. There are 3 to be exact. This means you can easily plug in your devices, such as a flash drive or external hard drive, and play back content directly on the screen. No more waiting for downloads or dealing with complicated file management. Just plug, play, and enjoy. The VIZIO 24-inch V also boasts an impressive contrast ratio of 3000 to 1, which means it can produce true blacks and crisp whites. This results in a viewing experience that's incredibly lifelike and immersive, making you feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. But what really puts this TV ahead of the competition is its low input lag, a mere 20 milliseconds. This means that video games will respond quickly to your inputs, giving you a competitive edge on the virtual battlefield. And with HDR10 support, you'll be able to enjoy stunning high dynamic range images that will take your gaming experience to new heights. In addition to these features, the VIZIO 24-inch V also comes equipped with a built-in tuner for over-the-air broadcasts, so you can watch your favorite local channels without any additional setup. And with 4 HDMI ports, you'll have plenty of room to connect all your devices and enjoy multiple streams at once. The picture quality on this TV is truly exceptional, with a 720p HD resolution that's clear and crisp, even from a distance. You'll be able to see every detail, from the texture of a character's skin to the intricate designs on a background. And with VIZIO's advanced local dimming technology, you'll enjoy true blacks and an almost infinite contrast ratio. But what really sets this TV apart is its affordability. It's priced to sell at a fraction of the cost of comparable TVs on the market. And with its compact design, it's perfect for small spaces, such as apartments or dorm rooms. Whether you're a student, a gamer, or just someone who loves to watch movies and shows, this TV has something for everyone. In short, if you're looking for a TV that will elevate your entertainment experience and make it feel truly special, look no further than the VIZIO 24-inch V. With its incredible 720p HD resolution, AirPlay 2 and Google Cast compatibility, immersive DTS Virtual X sound, advanced Wi-Fi 5 connectivity, Bluetooth capabilities, wide color gamut, built-in USB ports, impressive contrast ratio, low input lag, HDR10 support, built-in tuner, 4 HDMI ports, exceptional picture quality, and affordability, this TV has it all.